Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use group chats and Google Messages. So to follow my steps step by step, I just want you to make sure that your Google Messages app is up to date and yeah, to have the same options as I have, and to follow the steps carefully and manually and simply. So first let's get through the app after you make sure that it's updated, and let's consider that this is the conversation that you want to mute, and I want to mute. I hold the tap on it, and here I can see there are four options or five options if we include these 3 points. So right here there are two solutions. Either you can archive the conversation just by tap on archived icon, and from now on we will not be able to get the messages from that conversation. And also you can and also you can um, yeah, and also you can block it, and you will not get the messages anymore. So this is the way, and the only way, that you can mute a conversation or a group chat and Google Messages. It's so simple and so easy. It's not hard, as you can see. And anyways guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.